Hello students, from the chapter Permutations, let us solve a few problems where you need to find n given the factorial. Now we know that n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on into 1. So if I have n plus 1 factorial, it means you have n plus 1 into n plus 1 minus 1, which is going to be n, into n minus 1 and so on up to 1, which is equal to 12 into n minus 1 factorial. Now if you observe n minus 1, the next term will be n minus 2 into n minus 3 all the way up to 1 is nothing but n minus 1 factorial. So I can write this as n minus 1 factorial. So I have n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial equals 12 into n minus 1 factorial. So I can cancel n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. So here we have n plus 1 into n, which is going to give me 12. So the product of two numbers should be 12, right? So what are those two numbers? We know that 4 into 3 equals 12. So therefore n is equal to 3. If n plus 3 factorial equals 56 into n plus 1 factorial, find n. Now n plus 3 factorial is nothing but n plus 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n and so on. So that gives me n plus 1 factorial equals 56 into n plus 1 factorial. So n plus 1 factorial gets cancelled. So we have n plus 3 into n plus 2 equals 56. So there are two ways. Either I can multiply these two binomials and get a quadratic equation and find the value of n, or identify which two numbers when multiplied would give me 56. So we know that 8 into 7 gives me 56. 8 into 7 is 56. So if n plus 3 is 8, then n is 5, and therefore 5 plus 2 gives me 7. So the value of n is 5. A very simple problem.